Breathing and movements helped me become a lot stronger and a lot more confident in my body.
Breathing and movements helped me regain core strength and the stability to be able to then push my core in the classes for the ATHX Games.
I had my first stoma surgery about 10 years ago. I had my next stoma surgery 2 years ago, and it's been since my second stoma surgery that I've started the breathing and movement program and just really felt the difference in my strength. Breathing and movement has made me feel more in control. It's made my core a lot stronger, moving around better and stronger every day, lifting, shopping, lifting heavy items at work. It's helped through my whole life.
Breathing and movement has helped give me the confidence to come back to the gym. What excites me most about this journey is with every week of the coaching that we're receiving, I'm feeling stronger and more like my old self.
Once Shelley and Nina came down to start training with me, I found that they had a really good foundation following the programme, so it was a great starting point for them to then progress and build towards getting ATHX ready. Is kind of why they've come to me. I'm working on those key movement patterns and developing their overall fitness. I feel very confident that they're going to do fantastic for themselves. They're going to represent people with a stoma excellently, and I feel they're going to be very inspirational to a lot of people with that condition and beyond.